Okay, Ayush, introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce me in front of you. Sir, my name is Ayush Kumar Yadav. I am 10 years old. I was born in Gazipur City, Uttar Pradesh. I am pursuing my academics of classes from Mary City School, Gazipur City. My father name is Sanjay Kumar Yadav, and he is currently army person. My mother name is Anita Yadav, and she is currently homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket, and I want to be an army officer.
So you have 30 seconds. You have to describe your local area, your hometown. That is Gazipur.
Sir, it is known as city of Afim because it has one of the oldest Afim government Afim factory that built during the British rule. The ancient name of Gazipur was Gadipuri or Gadipur.
What do you want to become in your life?
Sir, I want to be an army officer.
Why do you want to become an army officer?
Sir, I want to be an army officer because it gives me a life of discipline, honor, and purpose.
And why do you want to join RMS? Why not any other school?
Sir, I want to join army as a school because it is just not a school. It is a place that will rule, leadership, discipline, and character along with academic. From a young age, I have been admired by the army person and I want to serve the nation. The army school provides me the perfect environment to prepare for my order.
And what do you know about RMS?
There are five armies in India, two in Rajasthan, Armies Ajmer and Armies Dholpur, two in Karnataka, Armies Belgaum and Armies Bangalore, and one Armies Chal.
And what are your weaknesses?
So earlier I hesitated to ask question because I wanted to solve everything on my own, but I realized that to ask right question actually the save time and improve results.
Why should we select you for the RMS?
You should select me because I have the all quality of a good student.
What are the qualities of a good student?
Sir, a good student have certain quality like he should be uh, punctual, disciplined, hardworking, dedicated, and responsible.
Who is your favorite teacher and why?
Sir, my favorite teacher is Ajit sir because he is knowledgeable as well as he is very kind and understanding. His way of teaching make even difficult topic easy to understand.
And which is your favorite subject and why?
Sir, my favorite subject is math because it is logical, precise, and universal, and it is also help me in think critically and solve problem in a structure.
What is the cube of 7?
Sir, 3 4 3.
What is the cube of 8?
Sir, 5 1 2.
What is the square of 22?
Sir, 4 8 4.
What is the square of 23?
5 2 9.
And what is the square of 21?
4 4 1.
What is the square of 17?
2 8 9.
What is the square of 16?
Sir, 2 5 6.
What is the square of 24?
Sir, 5 7 6.
What is the square of 26?
Sir, 5 6 7 6.
And what is the square of 25?
6 2 5.
So, how can we calculate the distance? Which formula is used to calculate distance?
uh, Time into speed.
And which formula is used to calculate speed?
uh, Distance upon time.
And how can we calculate the area of a rectangle?
Length into breadth.
And how can we calculate the perimeter of a rectangle?
Two bracket L plus B.
What is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is a process that plant make their own food.
Okay, and what are the characteristics of living organisms?
Living thing has a life. It needs oxygen to live on the earth.
You have to make a sentence using future continuous tense.
So I will be playing.
Now you have to make a sentence using past indefinite tense.
I went to my school.
Okay, this is a simple sentence. Now you have to make a sentence uh, using past indefinite tense, but the sentence should not be simple. It should be interrogative or it should be in negative, but it should not be affirmative sentence.
Sir, I did not uh, went to my school.
Okay. And how can we calculate the area of a cuboid?
Uh, Length, breadth, uh, 6 a cube.
Not a cube. And what is the value of pi?
Sir, 22 upon 7.
Okay. What is the difference between proper noun and common noun?
The proper noun is the specific name of anything, and on other hand, common noun has a general name.
You have to give two examples of common noun.
The bird, boy,
And you have to give two examples of abstract noun.
the honest, bravery.
Okay. So what is the difference between noun and pronoun?
The noun is a naming word. On other hand, pronoun is a replacing word.
So you have to give one example of proper not proper noun, but you have to give one example of pronoun.
Sir, he is playing cricket.
Okay, he is playing cricket in this sentence. Which one is pronoun?
Sir, he.
Okay, now what is a conjunction?
Sir, conjunction is a connecting word.
How many types of conjunction have you read in your school?
So there are three type of conjunction.
Can you name them?
So subordinate, coordinate, and correlative.
Okay, and what is the difference between adjective and adverb?
So there are both are qualifying word, but adjective are qualify noun and pronoun. On other hand, adverb qualify verb, adjective, and adverb.
So you have to give one example where an adverb is qualifying an adjective.
Sir, he is very intelligent word.
So which one is here? Adverb.
Sir, very.
Okay. So what is omnivorous? What are omnivorous?
Sir,
What is
sorry.
carnivorous? Okay. What is the full form of EVS?
Sir, environmental studies.
What is environment?
Sir, environment that surround us.
What are your strengths?
Sir, I am the my strengths are my I am quick learner, honest, punctual, disciplined, and responsible one.
Other than your academics, what can you do for the RMS?
Sir, I help weak students who have not interested in study.
Why should we select you for the RMS?
Sir, you should select me because I have the all quality of a good student.
What are the qualities of a good student?
Sir, a good student has certain quality like he should be disciplined, punctual, quick learner, dedicated, hardworking, and responsible.
What is discipline?
The discipline play a virtual role, making important.
What is teamwork?
The teamwork is a so
Okay.
teamwork means working together with uh, unity.
Okay.
Mm.
Who is your best friend and why?
Sir, my best friend is Hardik Yadav because he is very intelligent, hardworking, and he is also helped me in every moment.
Okay. You have 30 seconds. You have to describe your current school.
My school name is Mary City School. It is in Langarpur, Gazipur city, and my Mary City School was established in 217, and he is very disciplined and responsible school also.
ठीक है सर आप पूछो
हाँ भाई। आयुष यादव। What
Yes, sir.
will we do if you are not selected in the RMS?
Sir, I try to crack the entrance exam of RIMC.
Okay, not for RMS. What will we do if your friend is break the rule?
What, sir?
What will we do if your friend is break the rule?
सर आपकी आवाज कट रही है थोड़ी थोड़ी.
आप क्या करोगे अगर कोई दोस्त आपका रूल तोड़ता है तो?
Sir, I complained to the teacher.
सीधा तुम नहीं समझाओगे? How many fundamental right?
Sir, 7.
7. How many fundamental duties?
Sir, 11.
11. Okay. Are you confirmed there is the fundamental right is 7 right now?
No, sir.
Okay. Who was the army chief right now?
Chief of Defense Staff.
नहीं, Indian Army. Chief of the Indian Army.
Sir, Upendra Trivedi.
Indra Dwivedi. And Navy Chief.
Sir, Amarpreet Singh.
Okay. Motto of the Indian Army.
Service before self.
Motto of the Indian Navy.
Surna Varna.
Who was the CDS right now?
Sir, Anil Chavan.
Anil Chauhan. Okay. What your favorite sports?
Sir, playing cricket.
Playing
Cricket.
cricket. What is the playground name of the cricket?
What, sir?
What is the playground name of the cricket?
Stadium.
Stadium. Okay. चलो मैं आपको एक सिचुएशन देता हूँ. मान लो कि आपके पापा डिफेंस में है, राइट? आपने यहाँ पेपर में भरा है.
Yes, sir.
कल आपको मौका मिले कि आप अपने पापा को प्रमोट करना चाहते हो, तो क्या आप करोगे? अगर आप कल को लेफ्टिनेंट बन के जाते हो तो?
Yes, sir. करूँगा.
क्यों क्यों करोगे? वाई? क्योंकि वो आपके
सर
पापा हैं
क्योंकि
इसीलिए?
नो सर वो बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग है, डिसिप्लिन एंड.
तो बाकी जो लोग हैं वो भी तो हार्ड वर्किंग है भाई, उनको क्यों नहीं करोगे? अपने पापा को ही क्यों? मान लो 100 बच्चों ने पेपर दिया है, ठीक है, उनमें से 99 लोग हार्ड वर्किंग नहीं है ना?
यस सर.
हाँ, अगर मान लो कि आप अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ जा रहे हो, आप देख रहे हो कि एक बस का एक्सीडेंट हुआ पड़ा है, तो आपका सबसे पहला कदम क्या रहना चाहिए?
सर मैं सर इमरजेंसी कॉल करूंगा.
इमरजेंसी कॉल करोगे? ओके. और कुछ? सीधा आप कोई हेल्प नहीं
यस
करोगे उन लोगों की?
सर पहले इमरजेंसी कॉल करूंगा क्योंकि मैं अनेबल हूँ उन लोग की हेल्प करने के लिए.
ठीक है. हाउ मेनी वेदास?
व्हाट सर?
हाउ मेनी वेदास?
नॉट सॉरी सर.
ओके. अभी भारत ने कौन सा पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ जब पहलगांव अटैक हुआ था तो एक ऑपरेशन चलाया था, उस ऑपरेशन का नाम मालूम है आपको?
यस सर सिंदूर.
ऑपरेशन सिंधु. ठीक है, ठीक है. हाउ मेनी जजेस राइट नाउ इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट?
33 एंड 2 आर हेड.
वन होता है सीसीआई. हु वाज द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया राइट नाउ?
सर सूर्यकांत.
सूर्यकांत. ओके. हाउ मेनी हाई कोर्ट राइट नाउ?
हाई कोर्ट.
हाई कोर्ट इन इंडिया, टोटल हाई कोर्ट.
सॉरी सर.
ठीक है, हो गया सर. आप पूछना चाहते हैं?
Okay. So, what is the difference between area and volume?
Sir, area is a two-dimensional, but the volume are three-dimensional.
What is your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is playing cricket.
What is cricket? You have 30 seconds. You have to describe cricket.
Sir, cricket is an outdoor game which is played with bat and ball. It is played between two teams. Each team has 11 players.
Who is your favorite cricket player and why?
Sir, my favorite cricket player is MS Dhoni because he is very cool in every moment, and he is also known as a good wicket keeper and captain.
ठीक है. Okay. And the value of pi is 22 divided by 7, right? As you said. Why the value is
Yes,
fixed 22 by 7? Why not 23 by 7? 23 divided by
sir,
7?
because the circumference ratio diameter of any circle is 22:7.
Okay. And how can we calculate the area of a triangle? Which formula is used? Right angle triangle.
The right angle triangle.
Yes.
So 1/2 into height into base.
Okay. Have you heard about Pythagoras?
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras triplets?
Yes, sir.
What are Pythagoras triplets?
The 8, 6, 10.
Okay. And what is the formula of Pythagoras?
So hypotenuse square equals to a perpendicular square plus base square.
Okay. ठीक है. और ये और पूछना है सर?
नहीं सर, ओके.
ठीक है. तो फीडबैक वगैरह?
एक तो भाई आपने सीधा आंसर किया कि हाँ मैं मेरे पापा को प्रमोट करूँगा. ठीक है, तो बेटा ये नहीं करना कि हाँ वहाँ पे हमने कोई भी रिश्तेदारी अगर दोस्त ऐसा कुछ नहीं निभाना होता. ठीक है, आप बोलोगे कि सर अगर मेरे पापा एलिजिबल हुए, क्वालिफाई करते हैं उस चीज़ को तो मैं उनको रखूँगा, अदरवाइज़ नहीं रखेंगे. ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ आपने एक ध्यान रखनी है. ठीक है, सीधा आंसर उनको नहीं करना. एट प्रेजेंट टाइम बेटा 6 फंडामेंटल राइट हैं, नॉट 7. पहले थे. ठीक है, राइट नाउ 6 फंडामेंटल राइट है. ठीक. और क्रिकेट का बेटा जो ग्राउंड होता है उसको स्टेडियम नहीं बोलते बल्कि उसको पिच बोला जाता है. ठीक है, स्टेडियम में तो बहुत सारे ग्राउंड हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि नरेंद्र मोदी मोटेरा स्टेडियम था, उसमें कितने सारे हमारे ग्राउंड्स आते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये है. और तो बाकी आपने सही दिया.
ठीक है बेटा, इधर से मेरी तरफ से आपने एक तो बेटा ऑनेस्ट को आप ऑनेस्ट बोलते हो, उसमें बेटा एच साइलेंट होता है ना? ऑनेस्ट बोलना आपने उसको.
Okay, sir.
और दूसरा बेटा आप वाइटल को कुछ वर्चुअल बोल रहे थे, वाइटल रोल है ना, कोई वाइटल आता है.
That's important.
हाँ, उसकी जगह आप इम्पोर्टेंट बोलो या सिग्निफिकेंट बोल लो. ठीक है. एक वो क्वालिटीज ऑफ स्टूडेंट था, तो आपने बोला है कि द ऑल क्वालिटीज. बेटा ऑल द क्वालिटीज बोलेंगे हम. ऑल द क्वालिटीज, आई हैव ऑल द क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ गुड स्टूडेंट. ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir.
बस इन दो जगह पे आपने मिस्टेक की है, बाकी आपने बिल्कुल ठीक दिया है, बाकी सही था आपका. ठीक है बेटा.
Thank you, sir.
वेलकम.